Hello friends, today in this video I will show you some body gestures and what is their exact English. For example, if you move your arms in this way, your hands in this way, stretch your hands, stretch your hands. It is called stretch your hands, and when you do this style, this is called roll your hands, roll your hands. And when you do this movement, this is called scratch your head, scratch your head, because some kind of leaves are in your head. And when you do this with some other person, it means shake your hand, shake your hand. When you are happy, you want to have a fun, you want to dance, this is called have a dance. And when you do this, it is called wink your eyes, wink your eyes. And when you do this, blink your eyes, blink your eyes. And when you do this exercise, sniff your nose, sniff your nose. And when you do this, nod your head, shake your head, shake your head. And when you do, bend forward, bend forward. And when you do this, turn around, turn around. And when you do this, stamp your feet, stamp your, it is called stamp your feet. And when you do this, feeling dizzy, feeling dizzy, I'm feeling dizzy, I'm feeling dizzy. And when you sit on your knees, kneel down, kneel down, kneel down. It is called kneel down. When you lie down, lie still. It means that you are lying down in still way, lying down, straight, straight in straight way. And when you do back off, come forward, step forward. So these were some of the gestures I have made in front of you, and what is their exact English language. Hope you find today's videos useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you, bye bye.